In this video, we're going to show you how to schedule a targeted email using client group filters and Fallback SMS. From the email preview screen, let's select our audience. Just because your business might have multiple salon locations doesn't mean you should have to send your campaigns on a location by location basis. To send this campaign to clients from all of your locations at once, click the Toggle to Yes button. Let's move on to our top level filters. The first one lets you say and spray by sending this email to all clients. The second filter lets you manually add clients from your list. From here, you can search for specific clients or scroll through the list and enable them one by one. The final filter, Client Group, is your most powerful filter group. Your Phorest system already captures a wealth of client information, from their visiting and booking patterns to their product and service buying behaviours, birthdays, gender, and any other client categories you've created yourself. These filters let you utilise this information and shift the strategy to cost-effective targeted marketing campaigns. In this example, because we're announcing the launch of our online store, we're going to target clients based on their spend history. Once you've set your target strategy, it's time to identify how many clients may receive your campaign. Again, you can remove anyone who shouldn't receive this campaign. Once you're happy with your list, move on to the next stage. Did you know that salons usually only have an email address for 40% of their clients? That's a lot of clients who aren't hearing from you. But don't worry, because that's where Fallback SMS comes in. By enabling Fallback SMS, your email is made available on a web page with the link copied into an SMS. As a result, your email will reach that extra 60% of clients. This message is completely customizable too. By now, you've created your target market using the client group filters, and you've extended your reach with Fallback SMS. Now it's time to send a campaign. On the final screen, you can send your campaign now or schedule the campaign to go out at a future time and date. Before your email sends or schedules, you'll see one last reminder screen highlighting when the email will go out and how many clients will receive the email or Fallback SMS.